Today in Kiwanna's kitchen, we are going to make some delicious homemade chicken fingers from scratch using ground chicken. And also, guys, this is a quick and easy freezer meal that you can make to have on hand whenever you want to make something quick and easy on those busy weekday nights. So without further ado, let's go. Okay, so we're going to go over the ingredients that we're going to be using to make these chicken fingers, which is very simple. I have 4 pounds of ground chicken in my bowl there. We're going to be using some celery seed, some of the steak and meat carne asada seasoning. If you guys have not tried that seasoning before, it is so good, and you can use it for basically any meat that you may be cooking. And also, guys, we have 1 packet of Sazon seasoning because why not? It makes anything just pop, okay? It enhances the flavor of other seasonings. So we're just adding in about a half teaspoon of that celery seed, and you want to be very careful with that celery seed because that is a very potent spice, okay? Very, very potent. So we're only going in with a half a teaspoon. We're going in with that packet of Sazon, and now we're going in with our steak and meat carne asada seasoning. Now again, guys, I did purchase that on Amazon, and it also has like some citrus something added in there, and I'm telling you guys, whatever you use it on, it's going to make your meat pop, okay? So we did get the meat all mixed up, gave it a good mix, make sure you get it all squeezed between your fingers just to make sure that that season is nice and incorporated. I couldn't even get that out for a minute. But you want to make sure the spice is evenly incorporated all throughout your meat, okay? You don't want to have no clumps or nothing in just one section. So make sure it's evenly distributed. So we're just going to get that onto my cookie sheet here that I have lined with parchment paper. And it's also sprayed just to make sure our fingers come out when we freeze these. So again, you want to spread these out to about a 1/2 inch thick. If you want them thicker, go ahead and make them thicker, okay? But again, these are about a 1/2 inch thick. And also, guys, for that carne asada seasoning, I did purchase that on Amazon. I'll put the link down below for you guys if you are interested in purchasing it. And again, guys, it is a very good spice, and you can pretty much use it on whatever. So we're cutting out 1 inch thick, 1 inch wide chicken fingers, and they're about a 1/2 inch thick, okay? Now, if you want them thicker, you definitely can go for that. But again, 1 inch wide, a 1/2 inch thick is what we're going for. And I don't know if I said this at the beginning, but guys, if you're looking for something to make as far as for freezer meals, these right here, you can make a bunch of these. Again, I'm using 4 pounds of ground chicken here. If you want to double this recipe and make a big batch to go in the freezer, they will keep in the freezer up to a year. Just a FYI. So if you're into the freezer meals, this is definitely the way to go. So we're cutting out our fingers still here, okay? So excuse me, guys. I'm just getting over a cold. I don't know if you can hear it in my voice or whatever, because you guys know this is not my voice normally, but yeah, I'm just getting over a cold, so you got to bear with me. So we got our strips cut out, okay? So now we're going to get this into the freezer for about 40 minutes just so that the meat could firm up, and then we're going to take it out and we're going to retrace those steps, okay? And after we retrace the steps, guys, we did that about twice, and here you can see they are firm. So we're going to go ahead and just fry up a few pieces for you guys so that you can see how they cook as well, okay? So again, we just cut out the strips. Now, if you want them longer, you don't have to do what we did. You can just cut it straight down the middle. You don't have to cut it twice or whatever. Just cut straight down the middle. Get it into the freezer. Let it sit about 40 minutes to 50 minutes just so that it can firm up, and then go over it one more time just to make sure that you got it separated. So here they are here, guys. We just wanted to fry some up so that you guys can see how they fry up. We did dip them in an egg wash and also some flour and fry them. And that is pretty much it for this video of showing you how to make delicious homemade chicken fingers. So if you guys enjoyed my video, please give my video a thumbs up and support my channel by subscribing. And also, when you give my video a thumbs up, guys, it helps my channel out a lot. So I truly appreciate it. So yeah. We're going to go ahead and taste test one for you so you can see the inside, and that's pretty much it. So until next time, you guys take care.